Hi there, it's Rainbow again, and today we're going to talk about kayaks. This is a recreational kayak. You can tell because it's short and wide, nice and stable, but doesn't usually go very fast. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about parts of a kayak, so that when we're talking with each other about safely kayaking and paddling down a river or a lake or a stream, we'll actually know what we're talking about. So for starters, let's talk about the front and the back of the boat. I can tell this is the front of the boat because the seat back is here and the feet would go in there. The front is known as the bow. The back of the boat is the stern. I always remember that because I bow forward and of course I stern backward. One of those makes sense. I'll let you decide which one. The place right here where we sit, this is known as the cockpit. Just like if I was flying an airplane, the place I would sit would be the cockpit. Right around the cockpit, you'll see this little lip here is called the combing. Just like combing my hair, except for this lip here is combing. We have obviously the seat and the seat back. We have some grab handles over here on both ends so that you can carry it. And the whole entirety of the boat itself, the outer structure of the boat, is known as the hull. I remember that because it's the whole boat, which is the hull, H-U-L-L. And some kayaks have what's known as a keel or a double keel. So this kayak actually has a double keel. If you notice these two lines here, they help to provide some stability in the water and make your kayak go in a straight line. It's actually pretty common for there to be a single keel. So if you follow down here and see this pointy part at the end, that's the beginning of the keel. Notice the pointy part is right in the center of the boat. And if you follow that center line, it'll run right there down the whole bottom all the way to the other end where you can see a bit more of that keel. So that is known as the keel line or the center line, and it's present on the top of the boat as well. Even though you can't see it as well, we still remember that that line that goes right down in the center there is known as the keel line or the center line. And the deck. Just like a ship or a cruise ship, you know, the part of the boat that you would walk around on the top of is known as the deck. So in a kayak, this part here that is the top, that's known as the deck. We have deck here, deck over here, and some kayaks have deck rigging with some elastic or bungees that can help you there. This is a very simple recreational boat, so it doesn't have it. That's pretty much it. That is all the basic parts of a kayak. And once we know our language, then we're able to talk to each other a little bit more and have a successful day on the water. See you out there.